You're watching this because you own a business. And therefore, it's so important to make sure you have a business succession plan in place to avoid uncertainties in conflicts and rocky transitions. A really well-crafted, comprehensive business succession plan can help your business prepare for sudden changes in events like death or incapacity. If you're considering developing a business succession plan, I want to go over the top 3 mistakes that are often made when creating this type of plan. Number 1, not looking at the long-term perspective. A business succession plan is not something you should create overnight. Planning takes time. You need thoughtful consideration and thorough legal guidance. To develop a successful plan, make sure you know your company's long-term objectives. Really, take time to think about the future of your company and how you would like it to prosper as well as your family members. Number 2, not keeping the plan up to date. A plan takes a lot of time to create, but when it's completed, it's important not to tuck it away and forget about it. You should always make sure your succession plan is up to date by making periodic reviews of the plan. Look at the goals, its terms. This is a living document, and sometimes life events causes these documents to be stale and out of date. Make sure you are constantly keeping your business succession plan in mind and that it's still effective no matter what happens. Number 3, using a one-size-fits-all approach. A common mistake business owners make when creating a business succession plan is thinking that they could just use a simple template or something that they found online. But it's so important to remember that your company is unique. It has unique attributes, goals, plans, objectives. And so one-size-fits-all approach will definitely not work. It'll cause more harm than good. Make sure your plan reflects your company's culture and your goals to have your company thrive when you're not involved anymore. And there you have it. The top 3 mistakes often made in a business succession plan. But believe it or not, there's a lot more. When you're creating a business succession plan, it's so important to call experienced attorneys like us. This is what we do. We've helped so many businesses thrive and succeed, not only for today, but in the future. I encourage you, please call the number below and we'd be happy to meet with you and your team to plan for the future.